Hi and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at this Guild 1400 watt 185mm circular saw. So let's move over to the workbench and take a look. Okay, let's take a quick look at what we get in the box. We get the saw itself. You've got your edge guide, dust extraction which fits on the side here, a couple of screws to hold that on which I shall fit shortly, and of course the manual. Okay, to the saw itself, comes fitted with a 24 tooth blade. You have your 45 to 90 adjustment on the front. Coming round to the back of the saw, you've got your depth adjustment there. That locks back there with that lever. The saw has got a depth cut, maximum depth cut of 65mm, fitted with the usual safety button there. Has to be depressed to operate the saw. The grips rubberized, feels really good. Solid construction. Got an Allen key there which is for changing out the blade. The edge guide for the saw just slots into the front there, and then you just lock it off once you've got your setting with that adjuster there. As I mentioned earlier, the saw comes with the Allen key for replacing the blade. You've got a lock off here which you press and then turn till it locks, and then you can undo, take off and replace the blade. Okay, let me get set up with some various wood and we'll make some cuts. Okay, we'll start off with a piece of 85 by 35mm timber. Piece of MDF. Piece of decking board. In regards to the quality of cut with the blade, very little tear out, not too bad at all. Piece of hard flooring. Just taking a look at that cut on the hard flooring, you have got some tear out there. So what I'm going to try is cutting it from the reverse side and see whether we can get a cleaner cut on the face. Okay, same piece of hard flooring, but we're going to cut it on the reverse side and see what we get. Okay, so that was the first cut we did, cutting it from the face side, and you can see the tear out, which wouldn't be the best of finishes, to be honest. But cutting it from this side, okay, you get the tear out, but that's not going to be seen when the floor's laid. But you get zero tear out on the face. So in regards to tear out, this was the first cut we made on the decking board. Not excessive, but I'll do the reverse cut and see what result we get. Okay, back to the decking board. Okay, so the same result. Cut it from the rear side, you get your tear out, but on your face, 0 tear out. Okay, quick summary of the 1400 watt Guild circular saw. As a household project saw, I can see it being perfectly adequate. In regards to the blade cut quality, as I showed in the demonstration, reverse cutting your piece of wood will give you a lot better finish without the tear out, but of course there's numerous blades, finer cut blades, that can be purchased separately and fitted to the saw. So yeah, on a whole, nice tool. I'd like to thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.